Hello, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Joyce. If today is your first time seeing my channel, God bless you. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 body maintenance soap for fair skin. So my one I have in my list is Jovi Gluta Whitening Soap. So Jovi Gluta Whitening Soap is a good maintenance body soap because this soap contains natural ingredients like rice milk extract, palm kernel oil, coconut oil, clean psyllium, and radish extract. So this particular soap is good because it's going to rejuvenate your skin, deeply hydrate your skin, and smoothen your skin and give you that glow fair skin that you deserve. When you use it to bathe, you actually feel the smoothness and the texture that the soap is going to give to you because it has some natural ingredient that is very good in maintaining the skin. So if you want to maintain your fair skin, you want to keep your fair skin strong, you don't want your skin to be sagged, you don't want when you get to your 50, 60, you start having serious sign of aging, this is the time that you will start maintaining your skin. At your 20s, it's time for you to start maintaining your skin. Cut down on acid and start using natural ingredient that will actually maintain your skin and keep your skin smooth and beautiful. So another one I have in my list is BioLitebos flower soap. BioLitebos flower soap is a natural soap that is comprises of good ingredients like hibiscus flower, clean psyllium, palm kernel oil, collagen, and other good ingredient that is good in maintaining the skin. This particular soap, I'm currently using it right. This soap is not going to whiten your skin. This particular soap is going to maintain your fair skin, keep your fair skin strong, and add some moisture to your skin. So if you're looking for a good soap to maintain your fair skin, a good soap that is not going to allow your skin to lose its natural elasticity and it's also to lose its natural water, this is the soap that you should go for. This soap is very thick and it has some good ingredient that is going to moisturize your skin and keep your skin smooth and beautiful. One thing I love about this soap is like it lasts. If you buy it and you know how to manage your soap, you can use it very well. And this soap is sold at 800 naira, very cheap and affordable. So if you're looking for a good soap to maintain your fair skin, you can try BioLitebos flower soap. So another one I have in my list is Collagen White and Collagen Brightening Soap. Collagen White and Collagen Brightening Soap is a very nice soap that you should go for. This particular soap is good and is good in maintaining the skin and keeping the fair skin soft. Another good thing about this soap is that it contains kojic acid, and kojic acid brightens the skin and keep the skin soft. And it also contains palm kernel oil and clean psyllium. Palm kernel oil keep the skin at its normal moisture state, and clean psyllium helps in exfoliating and brightening the skin. Kojic White Acid Collagen Brightening Soap is good. Soap is good for somebody that wants to maintain his fair skin and also brighten his skin at the same time. This particular soap contains collagen. Collagen is actually a natural component that our skin already had. So this particular soap is going to add more elasticity to your skin. It's not going to allow your skin to sag. And also this particular soap is going to maintain your skin, keep your skin smooth and fair. And this soap is going to allow your skin to be glow and shining, rejuvenated, and keep that your skin young and sweet. So if you're looking for a good soap to maintain your skin and also brighten your fair skin and keep your skin young and glow, this is the soap that you should go for. Please subscribe to support me. God bless you. Thank you.